Next heading, write down in your exercise book. High-low method with step fixed cost. High-low method with step fixed cost. High-low method with step fixed cost. Rama, you have to concentrate more here. Poddak difficult. And this is not tested in your A levels also. So please concentrate. High-low method with step fixed cost. I'll give 1 minute. First copy this slide. I'll give 1 minute. First copy this slide. Please copy this slide. Right, Lama. Hope you are copied. Yes or no? Hope you are copied. Yes or no? Alright, okay, take your time. Now, I hope you all copy. Yes or no? Right. Fine. Then Balandalamai, concentrate. Is there anyone who didn't understand Sinhala? Because in the middle I might put some words, that's why I'm asking. Is there anyone who can't understand Sinhala language? No, right? Everyone can know? Is there anyone from far away, like northeast? So no answer. So hope everyone can understand, right? Fine. But don't worry, I'm not teaching bilingual. I'll teach in English only. But in the middle, because when we are telling certain things, Lamai, familiar language make you more understand, right? So simple example, if you are looking or if you are watching a film in Telugu or whatever, right? Without subtitles, the understanding might be less. With subtitle, bit more. But if you are seeing the same thing in your original language, could be enhanced your understanding. That's one reason, psychological reasons why we use in the middle some Singlish or Sinhala, right? Okay. So if there is anyone who didn't understand, let me know. Sorry. Okay, right, fine. See, Lamai, concentrate. Under high-low method, what we did, we identified constant variables. What are the constant variables we identified? The constant variables we identified, one is total fixed cost. The other one is unit variable cost. General assumption, these two are constant. These two are constant. But when I teach cost classification, I told fixed cost is not always constant. Fixed cost is constant within a certain range of activity level. Within that activity level, fixed cost is constant. Within that particular activity level, fixed cost is constant. You can't assume that fixed cost is always constant. So if someone asks fixed cost is always constant, answer is no. Sorry. Fixed cost is not always constant. Fixed cost is constant within the range of activity level. If your activity level exceeds that range, then fixed cost will change. But fixed cost change, how the fixed cost get changed? It changed like a step up. This is what called step fixed cost. Right? For example, from 1 unit to 100 units, I need a space. to produce these goods. So I rent it out and the rent is 100,000 rupees. Now my production increased, demand increased, people ready to buy, okay? People ready to buy, people have enough cash, but there is a shortage in goods, current situation. Money supply is increased because central bank reduced the interest rates and banks are giving loans at a preferential rate, concessionary rate, right? So somewhere around 10%, 11%, 12% loans. So people borrow loans and people use that loans for their consumption also, right? The fixed deposit deposit karna kattiyata awasi, loan ganna kattiyata awasi. So money supply increase, people have money but shortage for goods, so people ready to pay more. That's what we call demand pull inflation. Demand pull inflation, right? So likewise, the same situation here. So we need to increase our production. We need to increase our production because there's a huge demand. So now I expand my capacity. I hired another small building. From this, I can produce up to 200. For this additional 50,000, I need to pay rent. How much step up now? Now how much the total rent cost? 150. So here step up pays 50,000. So up to 200 units, this 150,000 is constant. Now again, I'm ready to produce 300. Capacity, demand increase. Another 100,000. Now step up pays 100,000. Likewise, fixed cost is not always constant. Fixed cost is constant within its activity level. When activity level exceed, when activity level extend beyond its limit, then this total fixed cost is not a constant variable. Then this total fixed cost is not a constant variable. See here, TFC is not a constant variable now. Now it is not a constant variable. Make a constant variable lega name. There is a step up. There is a step up. Now, let's see. If there is a fixed cost like this category, how to do high-low method? Generally, high-low method assumption is constant variables. We are finding constant variable, but some case this is not a constant. Step up. Then how to handle high-low technique? That is what we are going to look at. Okay? Is this explanation understood? Yes or no? My explanation neka terunada. Is this explanation understood? Yes or no? Lama, is this explanation understood? Right. So, any university students in this class? Any state university students? Is there any state university students? Is there any state university students? Is there any state university students in this class? No. Right, okay, fine. Okay. Now let's read this question. An organization has the following total cost at 3 activity levels. Activity level 4,000, 6,000 and 7,500. Sorry. 4,000, 6,000 and 7,500. Total cost, that is semi-variable cost here, 40,800, 50,000, 54,800. Okay, right, fine. I'll give you 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Just ignore this paragraph. Just ignore this paragraph. If you ignore that paragraph, this is a previous question, same as previous question. Find out the total cost at 5,000 unit. If I ask you to ignore this paragraph, what it means? Variable cost per unit 10, total fixed cost, both are constant. Ignore this paragraph and find out the answer. Do it. Do it. Sometime from next week onwards, physical classes might start. Lamai, my kind request, if physical class starts, please participate physical class. At least for my subject, because that will be more effective for you all. Right? Online it's okay, but if physical class is possible, physical class starts, try to participate for physical classes. Right. Let's check your answers. 44,800. Good. Fine. So that is the assumption where total fixed cost and unit variable cost both are constant variables. Both are constant variables. With that assumption, yes, your points and your answers are correct. Now, concentrate. Variable cost per unit is constant. So there is no issue related to variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit is constant. Sorry. So within this activity, variable cost per unit constant. But practically, variable cost to change. Don't think that fixed cost only can change here. There is a possibility fixed cost also change as step fixed cost, variable cost also change, right? There are possibilities for the changes, right? Now let's see. Variable cost per unit is constant. Here they said that the variable cost is constant within this activity range, and there is a step up of 10%. Step up of 10% in the total fixed cost when the activity level exceed 5,500. Right? Now concentrate. Now concentrate. See Lamai. Here, assume fixed cost is 100. I don't know how much fixed cost. Assume fixed cost is 100. Up to 5,500 units. Up to 5,500 units, fixed cost is 100. When your activity exceed this side, right side, when your activity exceed more than 5,500 unit, so activity eka 5,500 units walata vada වැඩි වෙනකොට, okay? then there is a 10% step up. There is a 10% step up. Then how much? 100 become 110. So, suppose if your activity is 7,000 units, fixed cost kiya tha? 110. Suppose if your activity is 9,000 units, how much fixed cost? 110. Suppose if your fixed cost is 2,000, sorry, output is 2,000 units, what is your fixed cost? Fixed cost is 100. You got my point? I am just taking 100 and interpreting this story. Still, I don't know fixed cost how much. Now, let's interpret with the story. 4,000, 6,000, 7,500. 4,000, 6,000, 7,500. When activity is exceeding 5,500, from this point onward, 10% step up. So, your fixed cost, I don't know how much fixed cost, but from this point, your fixed cost is step up by 10%. So here I take TFC, here I take TFC plus 10%. Is this interpretation, graphical interpretation understood? Yes or no? Is this graphical interpretation understood? Make it simple, yes or no? Then copy karan meka in your exercise book. Draw properly, yeah? This one, no? Sorry. This one, copy.